One man.
One tech deck.
One tech deck skateboard.
And I think I got whiplash. We've messed it up already. Imagine trying to hit the stairs on this.
Welcome to the Braille Christmas Wonderland. We have everything you need this holiday season, from skateboard decks to t-shirts to hoodies, even a water bottle and ornaments for your Christmas tree. We're starting this out with our annual Black Friday sale starting Wednesday, the 27th of November, up to 50% off every single thing in the shop. Go check it out. We'll see you there.
Hey you guys, we're here today for a requested video, not from you guys, but from this guy.
We said, hey,
Uzi Dan.
let's do it.
He said, hey, let's do it, and we're gonna do it. So, you may have seen a video we did a couple years back. It was the Hot Wheels skateboard, and it was just a blank deck like this with some rows of Hot Wheels cars on the bottom. No trucks, no wheels, just Hot Wheels cars, and we used that to make a skateboard.
What are you doing? I'm preparing board. Go on, continue.
So you guys seem to really enjoy that video, so we thought, we're a skateboarding channel. That was a Hot Wheel car video, let's use tech decks. So now that's what we're gonna do.
It's too wide. Hey, well, I need that.
So basically, if you turn this over, what the guys did was super glue rows of Hot Wheels on the deck like this. And Uzi is saying, let's get plywood and sheet it and put plywood in sheets like this. And I'm saying, why would you do that when you could literally just screw into the board?
Because it will damage the integrity of the skateboard.
No, it will not.
Like this?
It's gonna be in rows. Okay, well anyways, we have a bunch of tech decks.
You think screwing into it?
Alien Workshop, Zero, Element, and what's the other brand? And Flip. Are they all different?
That's a weird cat. No, I think there's like two different boxes. Let's see if how this one tests out. See that kickflip? Okay, it works.
There's no easy way. There's no easy way. They're all in there.
I haven't gotten one out. They're just jammed in there. Ow!
All right, Mowgli, focus.
Wait. Should we just put like a line of them here and here, and then like a line of them here and here, so that the middle? Because if there's some in the middle, it's gonna grip in the middle weird. Because you know when we had a board that had wheels in the middle, it's weird. Like it like turns weird. But if it just had wheels up here and back here.
This isn't trying to make a skateboard, man. This is trying to make a full tech deck skateboard. So here's what I'm thinking. All right, here you go. So you do that, and then you can go one more row here. All right.
I need a chair.
Then you do one here. Then you do one in the middle.
One fact about tech decks, I'm a tech deck god. If anyone on the camera wants to challenge me to a tech deck off,
All right, look at that.
I got you.
Check that out.
Ugly.
How does it look ugly?
It's not even color coordinated. Look at you guys. This
Okay,
all
well,
there,
I'm just trying to give the people some kind of idea as to what it's gonna look like.
Switch flip.
You can't even switch flip a tech deck, you
I just did it right there.
Nigel, look at this. Isn't this sick?
I'm having flashbacks.
The Hot Wheels, right? Dude, so this is the way, right? Is this not the way to do it?
I would say that would be probably the best way. Are
Probably
you
the
gonna
best way.
glue it?
We're gonna screw it.
So not only is it gonna be a tech deck skateboard, it's gonna be a screw skateboard.
That's what I
because
said!
All of them.
Yes.
That's.
Just use like a 1/2-inch screw.
Me and Nigel are on the same page.
I mean, it'd be smarter to glue them.
We don't have glue. And they're gonna fall off so easily.
We have a hot glue gun, and hot glue sticks are not expensive.
But they're gonna fall off. If you screw them in, they're not gonna fall off.
What if we screw them and glue them? Hey, I'm trying to see how many boards I can ollie, okay? Probably max out at 100.
You see that? I did it.
Kick flip it. Oh, you crashed. You
You see
ruined
that?
it.
Do you see that kickflip? Look at this. Look at this kickflip.
What if we do this? We screw in a piece of wood right here. We screw in these two, and then all these we glue. And then...
I mean, if you're gonna go through all that trouble, you might as well just screw them all in. You know what? I think we should glue it.
Hey, kickflip 50 kickflip. You think so? No way?
No way.
Hold up. Give me like a couple. Give me a couple tries.
No way.
Hey, that's Braille!
Well done. So yeah, I think you should glue it. All 35 tech decks, go and glue them on.
Alright.
Alright, Uzi, and how are you doing over here, my friend?
I'm chilling. Look at that. I got one truck deck already. This is, I don't really want the wheels touching, but you know, you gotta break a few eggs to make an omelet, you know what I'm saying?
Dude, that glue gun is insane.
I know, but it's gone through like 3 glue sticks already.
All right, you guys, we're here today, the next day at Fremont Skate Park, and we have the fully assembled Tech Deck skateboard, the very first ever one on our channel, not in the entire world. Uzi, well done.
Thank
I
you.
gotta say.
It's my proudest.
I'm glad you took
creation.
my idea of gluing it instead
Well,
of screwing it in.
So let me
No,
tell
that
you
was
what
my
happened.
idea, too.
It was his idea. It was actually his idea too.
Gabe was telling me,
I
"No,
watched
screw
the
it
Hot Wheel video and realized that those were all glued in as well. And I thought we should probably stay as accurate as we can.
Yes.
So he screwed the wood in, knocked all the screws off, and it actually is like pretty safe. All in all, a beautiful build, Uzi. I'm very proud of you.
Thank you. I only stabbed myself one time. I forgot the screws were sticking out of the grip tape, and I like set it like that, and it went
his leg and stabbed
me.
himself. Yeah, so we have a grand total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
30, I
Wait,
think.
6 times 5 is 30. 30 tech decks on here, all hot glued, double hot glued, ready to go. We're not gonna put trucks and wheels on this because the trucks and wheels, we have 60 of them.
Yeah. See?
All right, well, I mean, other than this right here, I don't really know what you want to do. Do you have any predictions on what's gonna happen?
It's gonna roll, hopefully. Some of them are probably gonna come off.
Most likely, and then the kids at the
I
skate park
feel
are gonna be very happy.
Yeah.
So what happened this morning is I was trying to cut this piece right here in the butt and the, you know, the like the long saw thing, the little, it hooked here, fell out, hit the truck on this one and knocked it off, so I had to re-glue it. I almost chopped my leg off.
Sounds interesting.
You were using, I think you're using what I was.
Yeah, probably.
All right, I just want to roll into the thing over there. Let's go. Dan, you should come.
It's full send around here, right, brother? Hey, you're gonna full send it.
Oh, you're going down this one?
Oh yeah, do that one.
Oh, you're going down this one?
Yeah, do it.
Yeah.
Send it.
Here, Nigel.
I guarantee it gets no grip. It gets no grip at all.
Do it.
You gotta do it, full send.
This is a sketch right when I first get here.
I'll send it.
No, I'll do it. It's just so slippery.
Thank you for sending that, dude. Are you good?
Yeah, I was just scared. I thought I was gonna face plant into the snake run. I think I got whiplash. I'm good though. Oh my god.
Dude, that is
That went
smooth.
from 0 to really stressful in 1 second. Dang, my neck, my whole body.
It's gonna drop in?
Body.
Yeah, I'm in Air Force.
Oh. Oh.
You
Oh.
hear the wheel bite of the tech deck.
That sound was not good.
Damage. Oh, well, okay. We got some flat spots.
Oh no.
I think we've messed it up already. They're all flat spotted.
Wait, how did that why
I guess we shouldn't have full sent it.
they fully flat spotted?
All of them? I think.
You guys play a game of skate on it.
You try it. Like try rolling around on it. Probably easier if you're lightweight.
Full send. Oh!
Break?
Oh! I can't believe, oh my.
That one doesn't even spin. Can I try rolling on the flat again for 1 second just to
Yeah.
get the feeling again?
Sure.
It's like, oh look it turned sideways now. Did some break?
Uh-oh!
We lost one. Well,
We gotta get at least one kickflip.
the tech deck. One more. Imagine trying to hit the stairs on this.
Hey, none of them fell off though. Dang. I need safety glasses for this video. Oh no.
All right, I don't want to do that. I don't want to break more
Oh,
off.
no. No! Oh! You broke one! No way!
Bro.
Wait, let me do it right here.
Look at that.
The perfect snap off like any gap.
Oh!
That's like the Chris Jocelyn type of snap.
Wow.
You ready?
Yeah.
Tech deck tray flip.
Oh!
Oh, we're losing piece of the wood.
Oh no, Dan!
No, it's still good.
Well, you broke the truck right there.
No, it's still good.
Dang!
Bro.
Wow, that was amazing.
I didn't like it. Let me try again.
Oh, I'll hold this for the good one.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh, that was right here.
That was better.
Here, I saved this for you.
What'd you say?
No, I saved it. I tried, you left me hanging on the last one.
I'm sorry.
So
I'm sorry.
I said I'd save it for this one. Put that on top of a regular skateboard, go down the 5, but land only on this.
Why did you think of this?
It's viable. It could happen.
I mean,
All right, Nigel, I have a challenge for you.
What?
Put this on top of your board. If you take it on the 5, I'll give you 20 bucks first try. If you land it first try.
All right, bro. Let's do it.
What is he doing?
I told him 20 bucks if he ollies down the 5 and stays on it for first try. If Nigel does this, it's gonna be one of the most historical moments of all time. Honestly, I should probably be giving him 100. Oh man!
Oh, there's so many broken trucks on this.
Hey, back me up.
This is a great idea.
Back me up,
I got your
Nigel.
back, bro. I got your back.
Back up there.
No way!
Wow.
Dude,
That worked.
Sick, dude.
that was awesome.
That worked.
I got one. You go like this. Ride down. All like you pop, kick flip, but your board stays like, you go like this. You kick flip with that board and land
land on
back
top
on
of
your
it?
board.
Somebody should try the hubba.
That's possible.
That's
It's gotta
impossible.
be. Yeah, Hubba would be sick too.
So you want me to?
You go like this down the 5. You go like this.
How about you just put it on top of your board and stand in a 50-50 and then ride down?
Get a 7 there.
Hold on. I can't have that like that. What? No. No.
LOL.
One man.
One tech deck.
One tech deck skateboard.
One
Kickflip.
Bro, I got that slow-mo too.
I think board side the 7's possible.
That's like a
No, because the way I roll in, I don't drop in on the little.
Oh yeah, you're right.
transition.
You're right.
Dude, look at this slow-mo I got though.
That was unbelievable,
Watch.
by the way. Good stuff.
Look at this slow-mo.
Uzi's build confounds us all. That was the Tech Deck skateboard. Go ahead and check those videos out right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and let us know what awesome board that we should make next. We want to know what ideas you have so we can make them happen. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.